Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI Faster Best Prompts for Beginner. To get started, open your browser and search for Claude AI Login. This is the quickest way to find the official sign-in page if you do not already have it bookmarked. When the search results appear, look for the official Claude sign-in option and open it. Make sure you are selecting the correct site so you can access your account securely and begin using the tool right away. Once you are on the sign-in page, log into your Claude account. After signing in, you will be taken to the main Claude interface. This is where you can start conversations, organize your work, and create prompts for different tasks. If you are new to the platform, take a moment to notice the layout so it feels more familiar before moving on. Next, go to the side menu and click New Chat. Starting a fresh chat is helpful because it gives you a clean space to enter a new request without mixing it with previous conversations. This can make Claude's response more focused and easier to follow, especially when you are working on something specific. Now comes the most important part, writing your prompt. Instead of typing something short and vague like, "Make me a resume," enter a more detailed instruction. For example, you can type, "Create a professional resume for a beginner information technology student. Include sections for objective education, skills such as PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, projects, seminars attended, and certifications. Format it clean, modern, and ATS friendly." The key idea here is that better prompts lead to better results. When you give Claude clear context, the role or audience, the exact sections you want, and the preferred format, it can generate something much closer to what you need on the first try. That means less back and forth, fewer edits, and a faster workflow overall. After entering your prompt, click the arrow button beside the typing box to send it and generate the response. Claude will then begin creating the output based on the details you provided. As you continue using Claude, remember this simple principle. The more detailed your prompt, the faster and more accurate the response will be. This saves time and helps you get useful results with fewer revisions. If you are a beginner, this is one of the best habits you can build early, because strong prompting makes every task easier, whether you are creating a resume, writing content, or organizing ideas. That's it for this guide. And now you know how to use Claude AI faster with better prompts.